Hello, my name is TJ. What is your name?
My name is Jemi.
Can you spell it for me, please?
It's Jemi.
Thank you. And what's your name?
My name is Shurab.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Yes, it is SHOWROB.
Thank you. So, where do you come from, Jimmy?
I come from.
And how long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 3 years.
And why do you come from Showroom?
I come from.
And how long have you lived here?
I have lived there 2 years.
Okay, thank you. Now in this first part, you are going to talk together. You are going to talk about the food that you eat. So talk together about the food that is good and bad for you.
I like eating a lot of fast food when I go out. What about you?
Well, I also like fast food, but as far as I know, it is not good for health.
Yeah, I know. But I like eating fruits as well. Do you like eating fruits?
Yeah, I eat fruits like apple and mango as well as strawberry. What fruits do you like eating?
I also like eating fruits like guava, orange, mango as well. Do you like eating vegetables?
I don't eat many vegetables, although they are good for health. What about you?
I like eating vegetables more, such as broccoli, cauliflower, carrot as well, because these are good for body and mind.
Yes, I know, but I prefer meat like chicken and beef. Do you like eating meat?
Yes, I also like eating meat, but I prefer vegetables more because these are more healthy.
Well, I need to change my diet and eat more healthy food.
Thank you. Now in this part, you are each going to talk for about 1.5 minutes. While you are talking, your partner will listen to you. Then your partner will ask you 3 questions about what you have said at the end. Jimmy, you are going to tell Showroom about a time when you helped someone and how you helped them. Showroom, you are going to tell Jamie about a time when you went out with your friends and what you did together. Now you both have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make notes if you want. If there is anything you don't understand, please ask me. Okay, thank you. Jimmy, are you ready?
Yes.
Please tell Showroom about a time when you helped someone and how you helped them. Showroom, listen and ask 3 questions at the end.
Once my friend needed some money to buy a new bike. His old bike got stolen and he did not have enough money to buy another bike. So he wanted to borrow some money from me. He had a job outside the city. That's why he needed to travel a long distance to get to his work. But now as he had his bike stolen, he was unable to travel to his work. So he needed to buy a bike urgently. So he asked for money. I gave him some money and with this money, he bought a new bike. I was so happy for him. He was also so grateful to me. This was the time I helped someone.
Okay, thank you. Showroom, please ask your questions now.
When exactly did you lend him the money?
I lent him the money last year, January.
Well, what is your friend's name?
His name is JK.
How long have you been friends for?
We have been friends for around 7 years.
Thank you. Now, Saurabh, you are going to tell Jamie about a time when you went out with your friends and what you did together. And Jamie, listen and ask 3 questions at the end.
Well, around 2 months ago, I went out with my friends Naeem and ate out at a good restaurant. Both of us like fish and chips, so we went to seasonal restaurant and ate our favorite food. And as we had met after a long time, we wanted chat and enjoy our time. That's why we decided to do these activities. After we had ordered our food, we discussed about our job and family. We stayed there for 1 hour, and when the food was served, we took some photos of it with us on the table. We hope to do it soon again.
Jamie, please ask your questions now.
What was the food like?
It was delicious. We loved it.
How much did the food cost?
It cost 34 pounds.
What time of the day it was?
It was afternoon time.
Okay, thank you. Now in this part of the test, you are going to listen to 2 recordings and answer some questions. You had 2 people giving information about different places. Who is speaking? A career advisor, a teacher, or a student? Now listen to the information. Okay, thank you. So Jamie, in the first recording, who is talking? A career advisor, a student, or a teacher?
A teacher.
Thank you. In the second recording, Shubham, who is speaking? A career advisor, a teacher, or a student?
A student.
Thank you. Now we are going to listen to the recordings again and answer these questions. Shubham, in the first recording, where is the career advisor office located and what should students take with them to the talk? In the second recording, Jamie, how much does a travel card cost for students and where can students buy this travel card? Now listen to the information again. Thank you. So Shurub, in the first recording, where is the career advisor's office?
Library.
Okay. And what should students take with them to the talk?
A pen and paper.
In the second recording, Jamie, How much is a travel card for students?
£4.50.
And where can students buy the travel card?
News agent.
Thank you. Now in this part, you are going to plan something together. I would like you to imagine a friend is trying to decide which job to do in the future. So he needs some advice about which job to do. First, talk together about who to ask for advice, friends, family, or teachers. Then plan and decide what qualification or experience to get and where to look for work and what advice to give someone starting a new job.
Our friend is trying to decide which job to do in the future. So, who do you think he should ask for advice?
Well, I think he should consult with family about this. They might help him.
Well, I think his friends can help him more as they already have a job.
He could get advice from his teacher also. They are aware of his skills and knowledge.
Yes, I agree with you. He should ask his teachers. Now let's discuss what qualifications or experience he needs to get a job in future.
Well, I think he needs to get some vocational training in his desired field to get a better job in the future.
Yes, I am also of the same opinion.
Well, and where do you think he needs to look for work?
I think he needs to see job advertisement on newspaper and magazine to find work in selected location.
Well, this would be the best idea.
Also, it does take some time to find a new job. He needs to be really patient for this.
Yes, you are right. Plus, he needs to learn how to cope with pressure of your environment.
This is so true. It can be challenging sometimes.
Okay, thank you. Now in this part, you are going to talk together about starting a new job. So talk together about what is enjoyable and difficult about starting a new job.
It is quite scary to start a new job. Starting a new job in an unfamiliar workplace is really scary. Do you feel the same?
Yes, I do. Starting a new job can be both challenging to extreme, and it has to be really lucky to find a job where everyone is friendly.
Yes, it's true. But if you are patient, you can adjust to the new work condition easily.
Well, yes, it does take some time to get used to a new job. Starting a new job also can give us chance to meet new people and extend our professional network. This is quite amazing.
Yes, it is. I think when a person starts a new job, they also get an opportunity to learn new things. It is really fun and interesting.
Yes, I really enjoy learning new things and using my skills when I start a new job.
Sometimes starting a new job may make people feel uncomfortable, but once we get used to it, we start to enjoy our work.
Well, starting a new job can also help people to become more skills and earn more money.
Yes, people usually move to a new job to get better facilities. How often do people in your city move to a new job?
Well, many people in my city often move to a new job, but some of them do regret for starting a new job.
Thank you. This is the end of the test.